TikTok. It's super viral. We just wanted to make it.
Hello, guys.
So, we have the katifi or katafi. We don't really know how to say it really. And then we have, some people don't use the tahini, but we're going to do the tahini today. And then we have some oil, yeah. And then we have the butter goods pistachio nut butter. And we have some chocolate. Our favorite. I always get chocolate. And then we have the chocolate mug. And we have the little cooker that's gonna cook it. So first we're gonna be doing browning up the.
We're gonna begin. Hello guys, again we are back with you with another whipping up snack video. And I am here with them because we are using a hot pot because we have to brown up that katafi dough, whatever the wording for it is, katafi, something like that.
Katafi.
But you guys know what we're talking about. And look, you guys have seen these Dubai bars all over TikTok going viral. We're just now getting our stuff through the mail, so we're going to do ours
Today, yeah.
now.
Yeah, now.
All right, guys, we're going to first get started with
I think we need butter.
we're going to use some oil. Some people use butter, but we're going to use a little bit of avocado oil inside this pot.
It's kind of hard, guys.
We
Yeah.
have some spoons and stuff here. We're going to stir them with.
Oh. Okay, so we got the katafi.
Hold on, let's put a little bit of oil first. We're going to put a little bit of oil, just a little bit.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Too much, no, don't pour it yet. Just let it get to warming. I'm going to move that oil around.
I'm
going to move that oil around. I can't move the pot too much because it's plugged in right here. I got to get a stitcher cord or something where
it could go farther.
Yeah,
I wish you could just do it by
yourself. A little bit more oil. Just make sure the pot is filled with oil, not too thick of oil, just all around, so that we're just browning the.
And yeah, it's already cut up. Wait.
Hold on, is it in? Hold on. Oh, okay. So now we're gonna pour the katafi. You know, y'all know what we're talking about already.
Okay,
Not all of it.
Not all of it.
Yeah, we're gonna probably use about that because we're not sure exactly how much to use for the mold, but we're gonna start with this much.
Wait, you touch
This
it?
much. Guys.
I cannot touch it because I'm afraid.
We're gonna turn the fire up a little bit. We're gonna stand back.
I hear the grill, guys. I hear the grill.
Oh, yeah, you hear it? And we're just gonna let it brown. The first thing to it is letting it brown. Y'all are fine.
It just popped out.
Letting it brown. This is like making like some rice-a-roni or something.
Yeah.
You gotta brown that rice first.
So it has to turn gold.
Golden brown, guys. As you have seen.
Poppy. Guys,
You know
it's
what?
Poppy.
We're going to get this golden brown for you guys, and we will
We'll be right back. Yup. See you later. Okay, guys. Now we have the katifi all brown and gold. So now we're going to
Take a look. It's golden. We golden it up.
So now we're going to be letting it cool down in a bowl, and then we're going to catch you guys later.
When we come back for the mixing, we're going to mix everything in, and we're going to start. And by the way, guys, we have the chocolate melting on the stove already in a bowl. So we're going to come back with the rest of it, with the mixing and the chocolate. All right, guys.
And guys, if you just eat it like the katifi while it's still white, like by yourself with your hand, it tastes just like chips.
Look like just like that.
It tastes just like chips. But yeah.
And it gets all over the place.
Yeah, but okay, guys. So we're about to be pouring the first layer of chocolate. And chocolate, that's my favorite. So of course it's gonna be my favorite part. Like, comment down below who likes chocolate. Just start doing it right now since we're doing the video right now. We're gonna be like start commenting if it's your favorite chocolate or not because I want to see the stuff. I'm probably gonna make Q&A. Yeah.
First layer, guys, and after we finish layering the chocolate for the first layer, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator so that it can cool.
Mm-hmm.
While this is cooling, we will be mixing up the kataki to go inside the middle
And the
of
pistachio
our chocolate bar.
Because that's the more
Let me show you
important
guys
stuff.
one, and then you guys just go ahead.
Yeah, we don't have like a design thing for it because we totally forgot. But if we're going to be making some more because we have
more
more.
fast here. Hold it.
It's kind of hot.
A little warm.
Yeah.
Can
I do it?
Don't put too much to
Can I
it.
do it? Big mom.
Hold on.
Guys,
All right, take something and start smoothing. You can start smoothing the bottom.
yeah.
All right,
Do I
guys.
use this too or no?
No, use butter.
Oh.
Smoothing off the bottom so it can get into every. You got to do it fast. We don't want to start melting on us before we can.
Oh, this is kind of hard than I thought.
It's not hard.
Yeah, it's kind of hard, but I can do this like all day if I needed to.
You're using different utensils, guys. You use whatever utensil you want. That can spread it on around there. We're seeing a whole lot being used.
Yeah.
The chocolate. We don't have too much chocolate there for the first layer. Now we may just have some big, thick
Chocolate
chocolate
bars.
bars. We may overload them a little bit. It's okay. Gotta make sure it's in there so when we do get ready to pour it out and it's all cool, we actually have a bar.
Yep. Yeah, I want to taste it, the spoon when I'm done.
Everybody makes theirs different. Some people make it with white chocolate. Use any type of chocolate that you want to use. Okay, I think that's layered up pretty good in there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me see to make sure. Let's use the knife just to make sure. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute.
Just start it open.
Chocolate over here. I don't think so.
Yeah, that's the one that I
It's
did.
enough on the sides. It's gonna be an actual bar. Okay. All right, guys. I think we have completed the first layer, the bottom layer of chocolate. Now we are going to get ready to mix up the katifi that goes inside the middle. Then we will put the last layer of chocolate on top. We'll be right back with you.
Yeah. This is the finished result of like the mixing stuff that we put in it. The pistachio butter and the
Katafi, however you want to say it.
tahini. So now we're gonna be filling it in with the filling. What's that?
On top of the first layer of chocolate. So we got one done already there.
Yep.
Take your time and make sure it's filled in completely.
I know my little one. I'm just so little.
You guys, it came whipped up pretty good there. It's actually pretty crunchy.
Yeah. I was doing some ASMR.
This is our first time, so don't judge us. But it's coming out good, you guys. Whip this up at home with your parents or something.
Yep.
Because we whipping up snacks.
Whipping up snacks. Whipping up snacks.
Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Of course. And leave us some comments, like some questions, because I want to see some questions. Yeah, right.
We moving up, guys. Trying to move on up.
Yeah.
But I'm going to move this bowl so you guys can see they're actually filling it in there.
Yeah. Just filling.
And then we are going to last thing after the filling. We are going to layer another top of chocolate. We are going to put it into cool. And we're going to be back with you guys to show you our finishing.
To touches.
Okay.
Period.
Take your time, do it right.
I'm just trying to like
shape them up a little bit here. Make sure it's all in the cracks there. All in. Not too much. We're going to take a little off the top just because we want to be able to layer the chocolate.
Like this one?
The top there.
Like this one?
Yeah, that's good. Just make sure the crunch is all the way through.
The crunch is just like extra.
Alright. It's actually pretty good fried up too. I gotta try it.
We should make a do-by chocolate bar without the tahini, whatever, like the crunchy stuff.
We may try that one day. We actually got some leftover ingredients, so we may as well use it on something to show you guys. Something else that can be made out of the katifi, because there's a lot of pastries that are made out of this katifi. If you look online or look it up, there's a lot of different pastries that's made with this katifi. Not too much, not too much.
You have to do it.
Okay, guys, we're going to be back with you guys. As you can see, we're getting them filled in there. Let me bring it close. Stop, please. We're gonna layer that up a little bit right more, and then we're gonna put the chocolate on top. We're gonna bring you guys back with us to put the chocolate on top. We'll be right back.
What's up, guys? We're back with the finishing touch.
If you
Touch it.
Oh, guys, look at
See how it
that.
came out? That's the front. We had it in the refrigerator
A long
for a
time.
little longer than what we said we would. I put it in the freezer also. We just finished eating dinner and stuff, and now we are breaking it open.
Guys.
Oh, look at it. Wait, slow down, slow down.
Guys, you see
Look
that?
at that.
It looks like chocolate, but it's not.
They are bars.
Somebody.
Oh, let's see. Here, Leela, do this one. Don't do this one. Take this one out. Look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh, we did that. We made chocolate. Look at that. Wait, wait. Okay.
Crack it open.
Look at how they turned out, guys. Those are the other bars there. They already took them out the mold.
Oh my gosh.
And they're just getting ready to taste them. But those bars look good. I'm not going to lie. They really, really, really turned out good.
So,
Guys, gonna taste. Hold on, let's wait. Let's take a look inside them. Look at that. Close up. Ooh. We outdid ourselves. Nice. All right, guys, take a bite. See what we have for you have created.
What did I just eat?
You don't like it?
Please don't give me that.
Well, I guess you don't like it. How do it taste, Leela?
it's alright.
Sorry, what do it taste like? Do it taste better without the chocolate? Do it taste like people is saying it tastes? How they're just going viral with it?
I don't really like the Katifi stuff.
Oh, inside. Well, guess you got the results of how they actually taste, and I guess they're giving their real honest
I'll rate it.
opinion.
I'll rate it 1 out of 10. It's like
Hey, come on, Joy, what you rate?
a 5.5.
I rated a 5. A 1.
Oh no, actually I take that at a 6 out of 5.
6 out of 5 for Leela.
Hmm.
So that's okay. What do you say, Joy?
1.
1 out of 10, 2 out of 10.
Like which one? 10
2.
out of 10?
2 out of
2 out of 10, you just don't like it.
10. I have to wash my
The
hands.
Katifi just ruined it.
All right, guys. Well, you see how we made them, how they came out, how they tasted, and
We
we
want
want
to
you to.
like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thumbs up. Bye.